Hello, Namaste and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I am going to do a general love reading for the sign Sagittarius. Sagittarius people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Sagittarius people, in this reading, first of all I am going to check your current energy and your partner's current energy. Then we'll proceed with your readings. So Sagittarius people, this is your current energy and this is your partner's current energy. Now let's see what is your current energy. The Hanged Man. Sagittarius people, you have kept something on hold. Either this person, this relationship, something is on hold. Okay, you are waiting for the awakening. You are waiting for the right time to take right action, because at this point of time you are not still. Your mind is not stable. You feel that the more if I take decisions right now, I should have feel regret. Okay, I can feel a lot of I'll have to experience a lot of guilt factor in my life. So let me just calm myself, let me just give it a pause, and let me just see what is going through or what is going on in life. So you have kept certain things on hold, and this is your partner's current energy. 3 of Cups. Okay, it seems like your person is someone who is enjoying their own time, who is enjoying, perhaps they are partying with their friends, perhaps they are doing a lot of socializing with their friends. And it could also happen that this could be a third party situation for you, Sagittarius, because this could be one of the reasons that you have put this relationship and this person on hold, because you want them to be with you always. Okay, you want their contribution, you are analyzing their behavior, their characteristics. Okay, so right now they are enjoying themselves. They must be going out with their friends, they must be doing a lot of socializing. It could be, for some of you, it could be that your person is into third party situation. Perhaps they are seeing somebody else. Okay, now let's see what you feel about them, what they feel about you, what actions you are going to take towards them, and what actions they can take towards you. What you feel them, what they feel about you, what actions you are going to take, and what actions they can take towards you. So let's see. Success. You see them as somebody who is very fortunate, that this person gets success very easily. They are the most successful people. You see that people adore them, people chase them, people love them, people wants to be with them. Okay, according to you, this person is somebody who has conquered the world. Okay, who is somebody who has a lot of power, position, prestige in their life. Okay, on the other hand, your person sees you as somebody understanding. Your person sees you as somebody that you are someone who is afraid to take a step ahead in life. Okay, who is not able to break the chain, who is not able to move out from your comfort zone. So according to them, you are someone who takes their own time to fly out from this cage, and that's what you are doing right now. Being a hanged man, you have kept certain things on hold, and that's what you are doing right now. Even though people are around you who can help you, but still you want to make sure that the moment I'll be out, I should not face any kind of guilt, I should not face any kind of hatred, I should not feel any kind of bad thing or bad energy or bad word about you. Alright, so that's how your person sees you. Now let's see what actions you are taking towards them. Transformation. It seems like you are transforming yourself. I feel that in past you wanted to take a very quick action towards your partner, but right now you are understanding what is happening with them. You are understanding their characteristic, you are understanding what is happening, how they are treating you, how they are going to treat your family and friends. Okay, so a lot of transformation is going on. That's why you have kept yourself on hold. Alright, now let's see what actions this person is taking towards you. Rebirth. They want you to rebirth. They are rebirthing. They are changing their mindset for you. they must be, you know, doing a lot of, I mean, this thing is going in two ways. Either they were somebody who was completely into you, now since you have kept this relationship on hold, so they think that it's okay, if this person is not giving me attention, and since I am somebody who is very successful, I should get somebody else, okay, because I have power, prestige, money, everything I have, okay. It could be, this could be one of the story. The other part of the story is that this person was someone who was completely, you know, who, this person was a social animal, okay. This person in past, they, you know, used to hang around with their friends and family and friends and something. This person was a social animal, but right now, since you have kept this relationship on hold, and eventually this person wants your attention, perhaps they are behaving in an opposite manner, okay. If this person was social animal in past, now they are behaving, or now they are just showing that, hey, I can be a family person too, I can sit in home, I can, you know, I can be like you, okay, I can become the person who you like. All right, so this is one of the action which perhaps they are taking towards you. All right, okay, now let's see what is the future potential. What is the future potential? What is the future potential of this? The Fool. Somebody has to put their foot down. Somebody, it could be you, it could be them, and this is going to be a completely a risk taking factor, and I think it's worth to take this risk. If it's you who has kept this thing on hold, who do not want to take actions, perhaps this message is for you, that you should not afraid, you should just jump in the pond and just believe in God, okay. And if this card is for your partner side, so this is again a message for them that they should not afraid about their freedom, about their power, prestige and money, because you are not interested in that, okay. You want them to invest in you emotionally. All right, so this message could be for both of you, or completely for you, or completely for them, okay. Now let's see what angels are asking you to do, or what's angels message for you. What is the angel message for you? What is the angel message for you? Ask for help from others. Yes, it could happen that you are advised to take help from other people, and other people can be your friends, family, your loved ones, your colleagues, your manager, your partner's friends. You can ask somebody, you can ask your partner's friend to help you to get something, or to get some idea what they are up to, what they are thinking, what they are doing, or something like that. So you are advised to take some help from outsiders, from your friends, your partner's friends or family and all that. All right, so Sagittarius people, it seems like you guys are dealing with Pisces, all right, or some water sign, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Some of you could be dealing with water sign some of you could be dealing with air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, and some of you could be dealing with another fire sign, Aries, Leo and Sagittarius. All right, so Sagittarius people, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Goodbye.